If your blood pressure just went up, it's because there is a fraction as an exponent. How do I get rid of that without just like throwing away the paper? Well, think about your exponent rules. Let's say you had something like x squared and you raised that to like the 4th power. That's a power to a power. We multiply those. So the trick here is to figure out what you could raise this power to. You'll do the same thing on both sides, but what could you do for an exponent that would clear off your 1/3 exponent? Well, if you take any fraction times its own denominator, you clear the fraction. So we're going to raise that to the 3rd power. We got to do it to the 4 too, because it's an equation. You got to keep things balanced. But when you raise this 1/3 power to the 3rd power, that just equals 1. So we end up with 7x minus 6 equals 4 to the 3rd power, which is 4 times 4, 16 times another 4. That's 64. Now all of a sudden this problem, which is like kind of complicated looking, becomes something pretty simple. Let's add 6 to both sides. We're going to get 7x equals 70. Divide both sides by 7. X equals 10. And that's how you do that. Remember this little trick. File that away.